Your Excellency, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, this message is for you. I am from Ukwanli government area, an Ndokwa person per se. I want you to answer from the ambition of your ally, Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa. If you gauge the atmosphere in the entire Ndokwa nation, you will see that we, the youth, we do not want Okowa. And the more you struggle to impose Okowa on us, the more you lose relevance. The more the people will protest against you on the day of election. Leave us to choose who will represent us at the Senate. Leave that choice to us. That is the least we can ask you. We are not fighting you as a person. But what we are appealing is for you to leave Okowa alone. Let us choose who will represent us. The choice of Okowa is not what we want, because Okowa has had the opportunities, not one, not two. He was in the Senate 2011 to 2015. From 2015 to 2023, he was in the government house as your predecessor. He did nothing for the Ndokwa nation. So when you hear the Ndokwa youth saying no to Okowa, we mean it. We mean it. Okowa is a baggage to you. I know nobody has told you this. As far as the Ndokwa nation is concerned, the choice of Okowa is a baggage that you cannot afford. We are not fighting you as the governor. But the more you raise Okowa, the more you attempt to impose Okowa, then you are declaring that you want us to fight. You have the government power, but we have our vote. Because it is our inalienable right. You cannot strip us. The police, no matter the arrest, no matter the arrest, no matter the intimidation, cannot strip us of our inalienable right to vote. So please, let us make our choice. Do not impose Okowa on us. The money that you have been spending to ensure Okowa go back to the Senate is sufficient to do other things. Let us make our choice. That is my message to you. Thank you, and God bless you.